For those of you who are new, for those of you who are watching this at a later time, if you have a question that's really, really hot, really burning, go over to info@watercraftjournal.com and email me directly. I'm not in the comment section. I have better things to do. I got 3 kids. I run 2 YouTube channels. I run 2 magazines. I'm too damn busy. So I'm not the one answering most of the questions and pissing most people off. All right? Just understand that. So, again, the comment section in YouTube just ain't the place to get your question answered. Email me directly if it's really something that is like, oh my gosh, this is a big deal. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.